Okay, so this is going to be a real quick video. Everybody wants to know why we left Thailand, but I can't tell you why we left Thailand until I tell you why we came to Thailand in the first place.
I'm coming out the backside last night. Need a little pick me up. Can somebody pick me up? Yeah. Bring me a glass of wine. Don't forget the coffee cup. I can't wait.
Back in 2017, my husband and I built a house, and we wanted to be closer to my mom, who was getting older, in North Carolina. And in 2020, my mom passed away, and some of you guys already know this story, but I'm going to tell it again just because a lot of people are asking why we left Thailand. My mom passed away in 2020, and I needed to get away from that area. So even though we built this house, loved this house, I really did not like the area, and I wasn't too keen on North Carolina at the time either. So we decided to sell the house, sell everything, just about everything in it, and we were looking for somewhere to go. And I chose Thailand because of all the information that I was getting from other people in Thailand that had been to Thailand. I had never gone to Thailand before, but we came over to Thailand and we loved Thailand. I am retired, fully retired, but Charles is not. My husband decided to stop work just to be with me because I needed that time away. So we came to Thailand. We spent a little over a year in Thailand, loved every minute of it, met some really great people, enjoyed our time in Thailand. But my husband, he loves what he does. He loves his career, and he was not ready to retire, but he did that for me. So with that said, his company offered him a position here in San Diego, and it was somewhere that I always wanted to live anywhere. We love San Diego. We've been coming to San Diego for many years and never really had a reason to move out here, but now we do. San Diego is beautiful. Always loved coming out here. We've loved vacationing out here, and with this opportunity for Charles, we couldn't pass it up. So even though we loved Thailand, we didn't set out to stay in Thailand forever, because I don't know, until I have to be somewhere forever, I don't think I'm going to be anywhere forever. Because I like to move, I like to travel, I like to see new things, and luckily I have a husband that is adventurous like I am, and kind enough and sweet enough to have done that for me. So we are now in San Diego. That is the reason that we left Thailand. So I will be coming back and forth to Thailand, and Charles will when he is able to. Just to catch you guys up a little bit, Charles started back work yesterday, and today is his second day, and he absolutely loves it. So I'm glad about that. He's happy, I'm happy, and I mean, it's beautiful here. It's not too far off from Thailand as far as the tropical views, but San Diego is amazing, and if you have not been to San Diego, you might want to check it out. Yes, it is expensive, but everybody's wallet is different. So, you know, if you can, we keep getting a lot of comments on how expensive it is to live here and how it's going to break the bank and all of that. I will just say this. You know what you're working with, and we know what we're working with. So I'm never going to go anywhere that's going to break my bank. You can believe that. So we are not out here, and we won't be struggling, thank God. I'm thankful. I have always been good with money management. So things that I've done when I was in my 20s and my 30s, I made choices early on so that I can do what I want to do now here in my 50s. But, you know, to say that, you know, a lot of people just keep making comments about how expensive it is out here. It is expensive compared to some places, but, you know, you figure out ways to do things, and you work with what you're working with. So we're here, we're gonna have a good time. I'm gonna continue to travel. You're gonna continue to see lots of things on this channel just because we came back to the States. And I'm gonna tell you one thing, there's no way in the world I would have come back to the US if we were not coming to San Diego, because there's nowhere else that I would want to be. I love San Diego. I'm happy to be here, and I'm thankful that you guys are following along with us, and you're gonna see some nice things on this channel. Trust me, we're gonna have a good time. You may not see as much of Charles walking behind me or walking with me all the time, but you are gonna see him. And even when I'm traveling, you're still gonna see him. And just stay tuned. We're gonna take you around, and we're gonna show you some good things. And I'm gonna show you even people who are from California, because I've got a lot of subscribers that are right here in California. I'm gonna try and find some things that they don't even know about. So we'll see. But I just wanted to, brief you guys on what's going on with us, why we left Thailand, so you're not wondering so much. So Charles is gone back to work. He's happy, I'm happy, so hopefully you're happy. And I love bringing this content to you guys, and I'm going to continue to bring content. And once we get settled in really good, I'll be able to put out more videos quicker. I know I take a long time to put some videos out, but right now I'm house hunting, he's at work, so I've got to do it all by myself. I will show you as much as I can, and I will get the videos out as quickly as I can. But stay with me, because it's going to be exciting. It's going to be fun. And at least you'll know, what's going on with us and how we're moving through this transition. So thank you guys for the support always. I'm sure there's some things I'm missing, but send me some comments, ask me some questions. I'm getting ready to start up my membership page, and I hope you guys will join as members, to support the channel. And there's going to be some things on that membership side that everybody's not going to get to see, but the members will. And it's going to be some, kind of personal things too. So anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Or as they say in California, later. Well, is that Hawaii? I don't know, but I'll talk to you later. So now I hope that truly answers everybody's questions about why we left Thailand and why we chose to come to San Diego, which everybody says is the most expensive place to live, but that is why. So now we can move on. Everybody's got their questions answered, so hope you're good to go. Talk to you later.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, well,